Hello and welcome back to another episode of Business Partner. Today we are going to learn about organization charts, what they are, why they are useful, and how they help a business run smoothly. Don't worry, I will keep it simple and easy to understand. An organization chart is like a family tree for a business. It shows who is in charge, who reports to whom, and what everyone's role is. Think of it as a map that helps everyone know their position in the company. For example, in a company like Coca-Cola, the chart will show the CEO at the top, then the different departments like marketing, production, and sales below, each with their own managers. One major advantage of organization charts is that they make things clear. Everyone knows who makes decisions and who to go to for help. This reduces confusion and makes the business more efficient. For example, if a worker in a restaurant chain like McDonald's have a problem, they know they should talk to their supervisor, not the CEO directly. This clear structure helps the restaurant to run smoothly. Another benefit is that organization charts help businesses grow. When a company expands, the chart can be changed easily to include new departments or staff. For example, when Amazon started, it was small, but over time they added many new teams and managers, and the chart grew with the company. Organizational charts also help in making decisions faster because everyone knows who to report to. Problems get solved quickly without lots of confusion. For example, in a hospital, if a nurse spots a problem with equipment, they know exactly who to inform, usually their supervisor or manager. In summary, organization charts are important because they organize the workers clearly, help the business grow, and make decision making faster. Whether it's a big company like Google or a small local business, having a clear chart keeps everyone on the same page and helps the business succeed.
So I think it's enough for today. So thank you very much for listening and watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is useful for you. So take care of yourself and don't hesitate to write an email if you have any question, query, suggestion, and even classes are required. Take care of yourself meanwhile. See you in the next video. Goodbye.